let me share screen. Bentar ya. Udah masuk belum? Atau jadi kotak? Oh, udah masuk kan ya?
Udah.
Oke. Wait, I think I opened the wrong tab. Oh, oke. So, shall we start from this one ya? Okay, about Robin. Is Robin here? I don't think so ya. So about bigger API data validation. Ini terakhir update-nya gimana ya? Tapi nggak ada Robin di sini. Shall we?
Ya, Ocin, kayaknya ada yang March 15. There's some pending stuff earlier. You might want to take a look at.
Oh, this one ya.
Yep, the yellow one right there.
Oh ya. Oh iya. From documentation article yang dibikin sama Kak Nat. Ini update-nya gimana ya terakhir? Yang buat di Medium ya?
Okay, thank you. So for this one, actually, we kind of achieved our target. We have 3 articles actually already published by Abam, Krishna, and Risky. So yeah, actually, we achieved our target for March. Yeah. So I hope that we can target even more articles in April. So congrats everyone.
Actually, I also made one, Kak, but I haven't I haven't give you the link. I think I published it in 31 or 1 April gitu. Yeah. So this is done ya.
Yep.
Okay, let's keep.
To that Kabayu question, actually I have announced it on All Hands today, Kak, but it gets skipped by Cinta, so it's not really announced today. But yeah, I will share everyone the article later on then.
Okay, moving on to the next issue. This is from Robin, but Robin is not here. About bigger API data validation. Ini terakhir update-nya gimana ya Kak? Yang untuk issue Robin?
Maybe I can help answering this.
Okay.
The last week, we talk about this from the back end. Robin and Vito will implement data validation using, if I'm not mistaken, the name is Joy library for data validation. So if and udah implemented sih di beberapa fitur yang baru dibuat sama Robin sama Vito. Itu udah diimplement katanya, dan udah ada yang minggu kemarin itu kayaknya ya udah implement sih, gitu sih.
Itu udah clear ya, Bang? Buat issue ini. atau masih pending?
I think so, but apa ya? Not all the API is implemented. Jadi belum semua. Jadi beberapa.
Tapi
Dan yang baru-baru sih udah sih. Udah pakai Joy library.
So the starting from now udah diimplement pakai Joy dan untuk seterusnya.
Yep.
Okay.
You can see the comment I think.
Is there any documentation
Oh, yeah.
for this, Abam? Are you aware of this one?
Kayaknya Robin ya mungkin. Robin belum sih.
Oh,
I don't know.
okay. Please
Robin
follow up
izin.
to Robin kalau gitu ya, sekretari.
Yep. Robin izin telat sih, lagi di toilet katanya.
Okay. So I will mark this one as done. Yeah. Is it fine?
Gimana?
Or is it still pending because there's no documentation? Or what do you think, Bang?
I think we should wait for Robin.
Okay, we're gonna skip this one first, yeah, for now.
Yep.
Okay, moving on to the issue from Krishna, inspection and validation of product. Tapi orangnya juga nggak ada di sini.
Sorry,
Krishna,
Nico. For the
yeah.
previous issue, can we have a specific conclusion? What action should it be taken for that issue?
Oh ya, actionable. Oh iya, tadi actionable-nya Robin bakal bikin documentation ya for this issue.
It should be kan minggu kemarin udah bikin itu tuh. Robin will make a documentation about Joy on Coda. Dan udah atau belumnya nggak tahu. Masih
Okay.
Robin.
So the actionable should be Robin submitting the documentation ya. Either he already made it or not. Rizky, can you put it in the actionable?
When can we expect the guideline?
Kenapa? Sorry Kak, kenapa Kak?
When can we expect the guideline documentation from Robin?
I think so sih. Cuman buat sekarang belum tahu Robin udah bikin documentationnya atau belum. Jadi harus tunggu Robin kayaknya. So maybe we just put it in the conclusion / action. Robin should update the documentation. Rizky, are you done?
I already added into the conclusions / action. It should just auto update once you
Okay.
don't worry about it.
Sure. Alright, kita moving on dulu ya sambil nunggu Robin. Kita moving on ke issue dari Krishna, tapi orangnya nggak di sini. Should we just skip this for now until Krishnanya ada, or should we bahas juga sekarang? What do you guys think?
Itu kan dia tanya, ada yang bisa jawab nggak tuh?
Correct me if I'm wrong, Sika. I think this particular issue, Krishna did touch on it last week, and Kanad might have given an answer to it, right? So I don't know who the secretary was last week, but I think this is concluded. See.
But nggak ditulis di conclusion slash action ya.
Hmm. Yeah, you're right about that.
The question is very simple. How we measure our product is success or not? This anyone knows, especially someone from PD. When you create a product, how do you measure when the product is success or not?
I think based on the PRD and user satisfaction nggak sih Kak? Kalau at the end user problem yang pas bikin PRD itu terselesaikan dan usernya satisfied, I think the product is success.
Is that correct or is that wrong? Or do you know that it's correct or not? Or do you want to ask someone about that?
What do you guys think about this issue? Anyone?
Okay. Before we continue, this is some apa namanya lesson about meeting apa namanya leading a meeting ya. So that's called bystander effect. So what Nico just did is just, hey guys, so what do you think about this? Who's the guys? Is it someone or everyone or no one? So I will expecting that no one will answer your question, Nico, because you say, hey guys, you don't know who knows the answer. You don't know who you need to ask the question. So everyone will be confused. So that's why there's no one answering. And I think that's also, I noticed that in this meeting, there's not a lot of engagement, right? So I'm not sure about this, but let's say, okay, we have a recorded meeting here. So what is the cause of the non-engaging meeting like this? Is it usually happen or not?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
And
How does it looks like usually?
everyone, I have to encourage like everyone specifically to engage in every issue. Maybe like how about from Risky? What do you think about this Krishna's issue?
It's a very interesting question, one that I also am not too sure about in regards to the answers.
Okay.